Hey everybody, my name is Irantwomiles, and I'm just gonna be showcasing or showing how to use my practice plugin. Uh, Let me go get my seat. So first off, this is just a regular practice plugin, but it also includes KOTH fights with Bard. But okay, I'm just gonna go through all the commands and show you the features. So the first thing you do when you get the plugin, you want to do set practice spawn, and that sets the spawn. So like when you log in, if you don't do this, it'll probably throw an error like right here. But if you log out and log back in, you'll start with all of your items. Let me relog my alt. Okay, and let's go through the config real quick. Plugins. So you start with the game type, the arenas, ranked, and this generates when a player logs in. Um, and this is the config. These are all the messages I have done so far. They're not all of them, but the most important ones are done. But okay, so to create a game type, it's very easy. You first get the item you want, so like you want no debuff. I guess that would be instant health too. You do game type create no debuff, and it will create the game type for you. And if you do items, it'll give your stuff back. And you see in kit editor, you have the no debuff kit, also in ranked and unranked queue. Let's actually make one more. Let's do, I don't know, debuff. Game type create debuff. Now, so if, for example, if you have a kit that you don't want people to edit, you could, so first off, if you do game type, it shows all of the commands. So you could do game type, editable, let's say we don't want debuff to be able to do that, and we set that to false. And you see that you can no longer edit the the debuff kit. It still shows in the unranked and ranked and all of that. If you want to set the kit editor for it, you simply get the items you want. So like this. It's based off the inventory you have here. It does not count your armor slots. So like, I don't know. Doesn't matter. You do game type, set, edit, and then debuff. And that sets the chest for it. If you want to set a default kit for it, you do whatever you want, and you do game type set kit that, and that sets the default kit. So if you don't have a kit saved, it will give that kit to you. Let me see. So the delete is basic, you delete it. I'm not gonna show that right now. I'll show that at the end. But let's say if you want to change the display of it, so like you see how it's an iron sword right now. Let's say we want to do game type, set display, debuff, and we'll gotta throw that up. And that'll set the debuff display, and it'll update automatically here. So let's go into the kit editor. Oh shit. Let me set the editable to true. So let's go to debuff. Oh, sorry. So before you do anything, you have to set the area for it. So you do set editor, and that sets the editor spawn, and you can then go there. And then these are the stuff we set for it. So just do this, put on the armor you want, fill up your pots, and if you try to, I guess I'm opt, that's why it's doing it. Okay, so I thought there was an issue, but there wasn't. I just haven't used this in a while. So all you have to do is set up your armor and go to like, so you can go to delete. I made this kit just to test it out, so let me just delete the kit. So let's set this up again. And if you go to like delete, nothing's there anymore. If you go to save, it just tells you to type a name in chat. If you try to leave while you, because people didn't realize they had to type the name in chat. So this is a test kit. I don't care. So it automatically does it for you, and then you can go to spawn. Yeah, so that's the kit editor. Let me show you how to make arenas. So arenas are pretty simple. I know a lot of plugins use protocol lib to hide the potion effects and stuff. So like multiple people can be in this arena. But this doesn't do that. Yeah, I guess that's just one downside. But like, let's just make this arena really quick. So if you do arena, these are all of the commands. So you could do arena create, I don't know, testing. And it's white because in the config it's white, so you can change that. And I'll create another arena right here called, we'll test this for the KOTH one. Okay. Actually, I need a cap zone. We'll call this arena KOTH. Arena create KOTH. We'll just do lowercase. So pretty easy. You come here, you do arena set team 1 testing, and come over here, do arena set team 2 testing, and the thing is, since we have both KOTH fights and 1v1 fights and team fights, there's two sets of arenas. There's the team arena and then the 1v1, but you make them the same way. Like you see here, it says arena set team arena, and it says true or false. So all we have to do is arena set team arena and then testing, and we set that to false. So now this arena is set for 1v1s, so only people who are 1v1ing will be in that. We'll go do the same thing here. Arena set team 1 KOTH, and we'll set team 2 right here. Arena set team 2 KOTH. And for KOTH fights, you have to set, actually for any team arena, you need to set this. I don't remember if it's a block over. Let's just do it here. Arena set loc 1 KOTH. This sets one location for the cap zone, and I don't know. Okay. And arena set loc 2 for KOTH. And that's that. And then if we come here, look at the commands. We set the set team arena to true because we want it to be a team arena. KOTH true. And we also, okay, and then we also want to set the time. So arena set time KOTH. So like if you want it for like 300 seconds, sorry, it'll go to 300 seconds. So that's that. So in order for this to take effect, you're gonna have to restart your server. So, oh yeah, it wasn't updated. We'll stop the server real quick. we'll come here. Let me show you you see in the arena, it's set up. And all of these arenas load when the server starts, so it won't lag your server. Let's wait for the server to load up. Should be up now. So you can see we spawn in that area. So we can do, let's just start by simple dual XX tricks and kiss debuff. And this is also configurable in the config. And you see it teleported us to the 1v1 arena. And yeah, so let me do that. And that's the fight. And it also has the click inventory thing. Shows the potion. Well, he didn't have any potion effects, so there's nothing to show. The armor and everything. So now let's try the KOTH one. So let me set it to day and sun. So let's create a team, and this is create like automatic. So or like it's, yeah. So like if I delete a team, it will go away. Make a team, it will come back. So let's do team duel. I ran 2 miles. We'll do that, and we'll do a KOTH fight just to show that off. And we accept. And you see, we set it to 300 seconds, which is actually like 5 minutes. And so on yours, for your team, it'll show like the capper, whoever's capping. So in my team, I'm the only one, so I'm capping. But for the other people, for like the other team, it'll show other team. It won't tell you who's capping, so like they can't just target somebody. And if you get knocked, you get knocked. It'll just show nobody's there. And if I cap, you can see that it's me capping. Yeah. For admins, there's a simple way to end team fights. It's like /team end, and then one of the two teams. So you could do Irantwomiles, and it will force the duel to stop. What else? I think that's it. The ranked and unranked are pretty self-explanatory. Like, let me leave my team. Join ranked. Oh, the rankeds are set to 0. But yeah, it'll just add and subtract as it goes. But that's it. I'm trying to think what else is there. Oh, also, I'm sorry. There's the FFA. So let that guy relog. So you see, I got the new elo. This is a pretty cool thing. So this is aside from everything else. Like this set uses its own arena. So if you do FFA set, so actually if you do FFA, it'll show all the commands. So if you do FFA set, and it'll set the FFA location, it's a free-for-all / last man standing. So if you have permission to do this, you can start FFA with whatever kits you have here. So if you do that, and it'll start an event. And if you do /join, you'll join the FFA event. And it's pretty fun. It's pretty, like, you just wait till everybody's dead kind of thing. Like, you fight until there's nobody left. Or until there's only one guy left. And, if you pot up, it'll give your stuff back at like 5 seconds. So if you pot it up too early, it'll give your stuff, it'll give your kit back so you can reuse some items. Let's just wait for this 20 seconds to go down. Okay. Come on. This was a very popular, yeah, you see at 5 seconds to give my kit back. So, I'm in game mode. GMS. see it says Irantwomiles has been eliminated, and then those fireworks will go off. It does it for a couple seconds. Oh Jesus. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's another thing. Let me see. I think that's it. There's Spectate, which is just regular spectating of team fights and 1v1s. Nothing special there. I think that's it. If you want to buy the plugin, it'll be in the description as a selfie link, or whatever it is. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can add me on Skype at Irantwomiles, one word.